How to add navigation menu to Wix website. Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you step by step on how to create and customize your own navigation menu on Wix to ensure your website is both user-friendly and visually appealing. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Wix dashboard. Then at the top hit on edit site. Then it will take you directly to customize your website on Wix. Then first guys, go and select the header section. Then hit on header section. Then guys, on the top hit on the plus icon on the left side. Then hit plus icon. Then it will take you directly to add element. Then scroll to menu and anchor. Then hit on menu and anchor. Then guys, select which menu theme that you want. The theme themed menu, horizontal menu, vertical menu, and hamburger menu. As you see guys, I prefer, if you are a beginner, just scroll to the horizontal menu. Then select which one, this one or this style or this style. Then for example this one, you can just select the menu or you can drag it to this header section. Then guys, as you see guys, this is the menu section or the menu navigation menu on your Wix. Then guys, first if you want to make it and drag it between upper and lower, and also you can easily make it small and bigger. It's very easy. Then guys, first hit on your menu navigation menu, and if you want to manage menu, just hit on manage menu on the top, or you can easily go on the left side and hit on pages. Then it will take you directly to manage and add pages or element or your navigation menu. For example, if you want to add some menu, just hit on add menu, for example, and add dynamic pages, for example. Then for example, select the web address or document or email or phone number, for example, or for example section and anchor, for example card page. Then hit on done. As you see guys, it will add it successfully. The card pages will add it automatically. Then hit on done. Then guys, if you want to make or create a drop down menu, just you can easily select the page and drag it into contact, for example. Then as you see guys, it will create it automatically the drop down menu. Then guys, just remove it to create. Then guys, remove all this drop down menu. As you see guys, the navigation menu and the drop down menu was removed. Then guys, go back and again select, double click on navigation menu. Then go to navigate section. Then when you select navigate, you want easily select which pages that you want: store page, product page, category page, and cart page. As you see guys, the cart page is empty. Thank you pages also it's empty. Then guys, go and again select, double click to your navigation menu. Then go directly to layout section. Then hit on layout. Then guys, first if you want to create a drop down menu, if you have already created drop down menu like this, the flyout or columns, for example like this, I prefer to use this one, flyout. Then guys, the menu section. Then if you want to wrap or scroll, for example like this, or wrap, I prefer to use the wrap. Then guys, horizontal spacing between items. Then if you want to reduce or decrease or increase the size between the menu section. Then guys, vertical spacing between. Then add or customize your spacing or vertical spacing. Item fill the whole menu like this or like this. Then the text element, I prefer to use it in the center if you want to make it on the right or on the left. Then guys, scroll to menu item direction, to the left to the right or right to the left, like this or like this. Then guys, item padding, horizontal padding, you can decrease or increase the horizontal padding and the vertical padding. Then guys, go directly to drop down menu. Then drop down menu element like this or like this in the center. Also make it center. Horizontal padding, increase or decrease. Also the vertical padding and spacing between items, make more space. Then guys, go back and go directly to design, then hit on design. It will give you if you want to customize design, or you can easily create your select which design that you have, for example this design. Then hit on this, the home, about, like this or like this or like this. I prefer to use this one. Then or customize the background fill a border. If you want to customize borders, corners and shadow and borders like this, make it which color, for example like this. And also the corners, unlock the corners like this. Then shadow, if you want to add some color of shadow, like this, like this. And the layout and the left and the right and the bottom, unlock the layout. Then go back and select, then go back. And also if you want to go directly to animation section, then guys, if you want to create your menu as an animation like this, the fade animation like this, or the float animation or float, I prefer to make it fade or none to make your website more professional. Then guys, go back and stretch. Then if you want to make it stretch to full width like this, or I prefer to use it a normal. Then guys, this is the easy method to create and customize your navigation menu on your Wix website with the easy method without using any paid version application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.